Have you ever wondered if the AK-47 was the immortal symbol of 20th century warfare? Then which rifle carries that legacy into the modern era? A weapon that preserves the legendary battlefield reliability but is wrapped in a sleek, modern design with added power and versatility? The answer might just be the AK-103. Welcome to Alpha Gun Review, the place where we dive into the most iconic and impressive firearms from around the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a deep look at one of the boldest and most battle-ready rifles in existence, the AK-103. Among the many Kalashnikov variants, the AK-103 stands out as a perfect fusion of legacy and innovation. Originally developed in the late 1990s by Kalashnikov concern in Russia, the AK-103 is part of the AK-100 series and was designed as a modernized version of the AK-74M. Unlike the 5.45 X39M round used by the AK-74, the AK-103 returns to the classic 7.62 X39M cartridge, delivering higher stopping power and penetration, especially at close ranges and through hard barriers. Domestically, it has been issued to various Russian military and security units, and internationally, it's been adopted by countries like Venezuela, India, and others across the Middle East. In the United States, the civilian semi-automatic version is sold under the name KR-103, produced by Kalashnikov USA. While it lacks the full auto capability of the original, it retains most of the mechanical integrity and appearance, making it a highly sought-after platform for collectors and civilian shooters alike. In terms of specs, the AK-103 measures 943 mm 37 inches with the stock extended and 705 mm 27.7 inches when folded, perfect for tight spaces or vehicle operations. It weighs about 3.4 kg 7.5 lbs unloaded, offering a balanced, controllable feel. Like its predecessors, it operates on a long-stroke gas piston system with a rotating bolt and has a rate of fire of approximately 600 rounds per minute. It feeds from standard 30-round magazines and is compatible with many AKM pattern accessories. One major upgrade is the extensive use of polymer instead of wood. The handguard, pistol grip, and side-folding buttstock are all made from durable synthetic material, increasing strength while reducing weight. The rifle also features a side-mounted optics rail, a threaded muzzle for suppressors or muzzle devices, and compatibility with under-barrel grenade launchers like the GP30. Aesthetically, the AK-103 is as aggressive as it is functional. Its matte black finish gives it a rugged tactical edge, but depending on mission profiles, it's also available in other finishes, like olive drab desert tan or camo. In real combat conditions, the AK-103 has proven itself time and time again. Whether in dense jungle, urban rubble, arid desert, or frozen terrain, it remains operational under extreme conditions, a hallmark of the Kalashnikov lineage. Its simplicity is another major strength. It can be disassembled, cleaned, and maintained with minimal tools or training. For operators already familiar with the AK-47 or AKM, the AK-103 feels instantly recognizable, yet it's lighter, more modular, and better suited for the demands of modern warfare. Personally, I consider the AK-103 one of the most well-rounded and field-reliable assault rifles currently in service. It may not be the most high-tech rifle on the market, but it delivers exactly what soldiers need: power, durability, and ease of use. And that makes it stand out in a crowded world of over-engineered weapons. So if you're someone who appreciates practical firepower with a classic soul, the AK-103 deserves your attention. What about you? What do you think of the KR-103? And which firearm would you like to see reviewed next? Let us know in the comments. Your favorite might just be featured in the next episode of Alpha Gun Review.